Global warming is the long-term heating of Earth's climate system, primarily caused by human activities, such as burning fossil fuels, coal, oil, and gas, deforestation, industrial processes, and agricultural practices. These activities release large amounts of greenhouse gases, including carbon dioxide, CO2, methane, CH4, nitrous oxide, N2O, and fluorinated gases, into the atmosphere. Greenhouse gases trap heat in the atmosphere, acting like a blanket that prevents the heat from escaping into space, thus causing the planet to warm up. This results in a wide range of negative impacts on the environment, ecosystems, and human societies. One of the main consequences of global warming is the rise in average global temperatures. Over the past century, Earth's surface temperature has increased by about 1.2 degrees Celsius, 2.2 degrees Fahrenheit, and the rate of warming has accelerated in recent decades. Rising temperatures have led to the melting of glaciers and ice sheets, resulting in sea level rise, which threatens coastal communities and low-lying islands. It also disrupts marine ecosystems and can cause more frequent and severe coastal flooding during storms. Global warming also affects weather patterns, leading to more frequent and intense heat waves, droughts, hurricanes, and extreme precipitation events. These weather extremes can cause widespread damage to agriculture, infrastructure, and human health, and exacerbate food and water shortages, leading to increased conflicts over resources. Furthermore, global warming has a significant impact on ecosystems and biodiversity. Many plant and animal species are facing challenges in adapting to rapidly changing environmental conditions, resulting in shifts in their distributions and loss of habitat. This can lead to the extinction of species, disrupt ecosystems, and result in a loss of biodiversity, with negative consequences for ecosystem services, such as pollination, nutrient cycling, and climate regulation. In addition to environmental impacts, global warming has social and economic consequences. Disadvantaged communities, including low-income populations, marginalized groups, and developing countries, are often more vulnerable to the impacts of global warming, as they have limited resources to adapt and recover from extreme events. Global warming can also exacerbate social inequalities and economic disparities, as it affects agriculture, water availability, infrastructure, and livelihoods, leading to increased social unrest and migration. Addressing global warming requires concerted efforts at local, national, and global levels to reduce greenhouse gas emissions through mitigation measures, such as transitioning to renewable energy sources, improving energy efficiency, and reducing deforestation. Adaptation measures, such as building resilient infrastructure, protecting ecosystems, and enhancing community preparedness, are also necessary to cope with the impacts that are already occurring or are projected to worsen in the future. In conclusion, global warming is a complex and pressing environmental issue caused by human activities that have far-reaching impacts on the planet, including rising temperatures, sea level rise, extreme weather events, ecosystem disruptions, and social and economic challenges. It requires urgent and coordinated action to mitigate emissions and adapt to the changing climate in order to protect the planet, its ecosystems, and human societies for current and future generations.